Dogecoin has without a doubt been one of the top performing digital currencies during the most recent year and a half and is as yet respected by a lot of people to be the best crypto under $1. Notwithstanding, for those pondering, is Dogecoin a wise venture? It's indispensable to dig somewhat more profound and search for proof beside retail-determined publicity. Generally, Dogecoin doesn't have this present reality utility to support upwards force over the more extended term. The coin's underlying cost rise was driven by publicity and mindfulness created by the established press. Since these elements have subsided, Doge has displayed reliably terrible showing. Therefore, our viewpoint is that Dogecoin is the most ideal to risk-chasing financial backers, who are glad to open a situation out of trust instead of assumption. Doge can without a doubt actually give positive returns, however it's likely not the best crypto resource for risk-disinclined financial backers. Should I buy Dogecoin? Generally speaking, is Dogecoin a wise venture? Advocates for Dogecoin accept that it is one of the most underestimated cryptos, even after the significant cost ascends as of late. Notwithstanding, from a central stance, it's difficult to present a defense for Doge producing comparative revisitations of 2021. One of the primary components going in support of Dogecoin is serious areas of strength for its sponsorship. The Dogecoin subreddit flaunts over 2.3 million individuals, featuring that there is as yet purchasing power prepared to release. Having said that, whenever Dogecoin shows some upwards energy, selling pressure drives the cost once again down. As we would like to think, Dogecoin may as yet be a wise venture for individuals who have some extra cash and are glad to open an exceptionally theoretical position. There's positively scope for Dogecoin to give twofold or triple-digit returns. Yet almost certainly, the coin could plunge much further in the long stretches of time to come. Thus, Doge contributing is maybe more fit to risk-chasing financial backers instead of low-instability financial backers. Where to buy Dogecoin? As of recently, we've zeroed in on responding to the inquiry, is Dogecoin a brilliant speculation? Be that as it may, it's additionally critical to talk about where to put resources into Doge, assuming you wish to do as such. Luckily, a considerable lot of the best crypto trades support Dogecoin exchanging, because of the coin's prevalence with retail merchants. Our main pick with regards to crypto trades is eToro. eToro is one of the biggest exchanging stages in the world, with north of 24 million enlisted clients. The stage is notable for its security and cost viability and is controlled by a few top-level substances, including FINRA, FinCEN, FCA, ASIC, and SISEC. At the point when you buy Dogecoin with eToro, you gain full responsibility for resource. eToro charges a level 1% expense on trade positions, in addition to the bid-ask spread. And eToro likewise doesn't charge a month-to-month, yearly record expense. eToro permits clients to subsidize their records with just $10. Moment stores can be made through credit, check card or e-wallet, with full help for PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller. Strikingly, stores are allowed to finish whenever made in USD. At last, eToro even offers one of the most incredible crypto wallets available, which is completely allowed to download on iOS and Android. This wallet upholds an immense scope of crypto resources and is gotten by cutting-edge normalization conventions and DDoS security. There's even the capacity to trade one crypto for one more inside the wallet's connection point, meaning everything can be achieved in one helpful application. Is Dogecoin a good investment? Conclusion. Despite the fact that Dogecoin has had an incredible several years, it seems like the publicity is currently over since the coin misses the mark on critical use cases. Thus, we suggest financial backers incline towards cryptos with true utility. Fortunate Block is one of these cryptos, because of the stage's inventive way to deal with lottery frameworks. It is likewise viewed as one of the most amazing cryptos under $1. Considering that Lucky Block's crypto attracts are set to initiate soon, we'll probably see expanded interest for LBLOCK, the stage's local token. Furthermore, since LBLOCK holders will be compensated for holding the token, there's likewise extension to make a recurring source of income while profiting from esteem increments. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.